Yo, what is good, YouTube? So right now, I just got home from school and I'm already talking to people about vendors. Let me show you boys. Don't worry about the Barbie dolls and stuff. I'm in my niece's room. But I'm already talking to people about vendors. I'll show y'all, but that will leak the vendor. And I'm going up. Y'all see my IG? I'm gonna show y'all boys. Make sure y'all go follow my IG. I'm giving out free vendors until February the 14th. But I also, those are my free vendors. And I also created a one-to-one spreadsheet for y'all while I was at school. Let me pull this out and show y'all boys. Let me set y'all up. I created a one-to-one, I created the best quality vendors on DHgate that I could find with the best selling items this winter. I'll show y'all boys. So this will be in the link. This will be in the bio down below. But right now, I only have 10 items. I will definitely be adding more, and I'll be putting pictures out. By the time this video gets posted, this will have pictures on it, and it will have the prices and the profit you can make off of it. So make sure y'all boys tap into that. Those are if you cannot afford the one-to-one vendor, the USA direct vendor, if you cannot afford that as of right now, you can go to my spreadsheet and you can order a simple DHgate vendor. People hate on DHgate, but I just found the best quality for y'all boys. I'm not gonna lie. DHgate has some sleepers. These are the best sellers I know on DHgate, because this is how I started out on DHgate. Now I have my one-to-one vendors, my personal USA vendors. I have his direct phone number, so if y'all want that, make sure y'all text me. I'm taking Apple Pay only. And for y'all boys, I'm telling y'all. So hey, my bad for keep switching the camera. I'm gonna show y'all boys some of the let me show y'all a North Face. This is the North Face. Let me, my bad, y'all. Let me set y'all boys up. But while I'm going to this, make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel. I appreciate all the love your boys have been showing me. It's been crazy, bro. Y'all been overly showing love. I appreciate everything y'all been doing. I don't know if I can tell, but I'm sweating super bad, bro. Yeah, I'm in Texas, bro. The weather is off, bro. Trust me, the weather is off. So I'm gonna show y'all boys the puffer jacket right now. I'm gonna go to it. These are the reviews for the puffer jacket. You see, these are the best quality DHgate sellers I found. Best quality. You could tell some of them are bots, but you can tell they have good clothing. And I don't know what the hell that is. I ain't gonna lie. I think that's Canadian. And I will show y'all boys some more. I'm gonna show y'all boys the spider hoodies. I can't show y'all this. Alright. These are spider hoodies. He's showing you the puff print. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. These, look at that quality, bro. These are, and people say DHgate is bad, bro. I'm doing that work for y'all, bro. I'm doing the dirty work, bro. If y'all can't afford, no one-on-one vendor, $35 plus paying the vendor, bro, just go to DHgate, hit the link in my bio. Hit the link in my bio, it'll take you straight to my spreadsheet. And make sure y'all boys tap in. I'm gonna show y'all one more thing. I showed y'all the North Face Spider hoodie. I'm gonna show y'all the Nike Techs. Just because, bro, Nike Techs are also selling very well. And I will also show y'all boys. I showed y'all in see, somebody just asked me for the DHgate vendor, bro. Cause they yeah. Alright, see, I'm really here for y'all, bro. If y'all, I ain't gonna lie, if y'all don't sub up, bro, I'm just trying to help y'all, bro. I'm not even being a gatekeeper. Cause I know some people can't afford certain things, bro. So I'm not gonna gatekeep if you can't afford my one-on-one vendor. Just because you can't afford my vendor doesn't mean you can't resell. I hate people who do that, bro. You want people, that's being greedy, bro. We can't buy. I don't like that, bro. Here it is. Let me show you the one-on-one vendor. What am I doing? Not one-on-one vendor. Let me show you the Montclair. Here I go. Y'all need to hear that. By the way, that is DH Gate, bro. DH Gate. Oh yeah, and y'all see this? All vendors free until February the 10th. Correction, February the 14th. I changed it for y'all boys. But y'all see, y'all do have to send me a screenshot that y'all follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the person that I'm talking to right now, she's gonna most definitely have to send me a screenshot of her subscribing to this YouTube channel, bro. We need those. Alright, but let me see what else I can show y'all boys. I showed y'all the text. Y'all want to see the LV beanies, bro. I gotta put those on the spreadsheet, bro. Bro, this is the best profit margin you can get, bro. LV beanies, bro. Look at these, bro. Look at the quality on that. DHK. Oh my goodness, bro. Make sure y'all go follow my TikTok as well. Look at that. $6, bro. You can sell this for $100. Let's see how much if I buy it now, bro. Bro, $11, bro. $11. That's crazy, huh? Look at all the color options. Look at all the colorways, bro. But that's really it, y'all boys. Make sure. Hold on, let me show y'all boys. Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, and shout out to Ja Resales, bro. He put me on game, bro. He really got me out of my comfort zone, bro. He made me open up. He didn't make me, but he inspired me to be consistent and start posting on YouTube. Not posting on YouTube. I've been posting on YouTube. He inspired me to start posting on TikTok, start posting on Instagram, and widen everything up. Hey, he making big. Make sure y'all go subscribe to him too, bro. I ain't even gonna front, bro. He motivated me, bro. Am I sweating bad, bro? I can't tell, bro. I think I'm sweating bad, bro. Alright, bro. I'm gonna mess with y'all boys, bro. Make sure y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and comment anything y'all want. Hey, comment anything y'all want me to add to the spreadsheet. And